Hi, today I'll show you how to remove battery from Canon EOS M10. So what do we need to do? Here's the battery, and you need to move it and hold, and now just take it off by clicking this gray thing. And here's battery. If you want to put it back on, just put it in, just like that, and close it. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.